K. Verma, General Manager, Southeastern Railway, to kindly deliver his address and share some of his thoughts with us. Sir, please.
Dr. Ray, Chief Medical Director, Southeastern Railway. Dr. Patnaik, Medical Director. All my colleague PHODs, CHODs, and all the doctors and hospital staff present here. Gentlemen, my association with this hospital perhaps has not been as frequent or as close as should have been. But I still remember on Central Railway, often the GM was called to Vehicle Hospital, and all of us, like a good assistants to General Manager, had to follow him there to the hospital. And there one day, the GM there whispered into my ears. He said, "यार देखो तुम GM बन के कहीं ना कहीं जाओगे, एक काम करना, hospital, do care for hospitals, devote some times and try to take care of needs of hospital is very important." And like many things from your seniors, they are flagged in the mind. And when I came here, though as I admit, I have not been associated as close to the hospital as should have been perhaps, but whatever files regarding medical department came for some this thing, जो contracts होते हैं at Tata, at Bokaro, and all these places. And even regarding these, even today, I have cleared a file. I try to be very prompt on that. I have not queried or delayed any files as far as hospital is concerned. That is my small contribution, I would say, because I need that as long as you are fine, your body is fine, you will not even think of hospitals. But unfortunately, when something happens to you and you are confined to the hospital, then perhaps that becomes the most important worry, and listening facilities in the hospital, and the environment in the hospital, and so many things. And as Dr. Ray has said, in one of my routine inspections, I saw the officers' cabins here, and somehow I found them very pathetic. And just maybe that issue was not flagged today. I am extremely happy, as Dr. Roy has said, that they're as good as any of the best hospitals in Calcutta. So that is a matter of pride, I would say. Similarly, Adra, he said, I went to Adra, I saw doctors complain, unions also complained about key. And in division hospital, if you don't have the basic facility of an X-ray, it's certainly not a very comforting feature for a general manager. Because these are very basic. When doctors feel frustrated if you can't carry out X-ray of the this thing. So I think they had to refer it to Bokaro or somewhere, if I remember correctly, for even the routine medical exams of running staff, it is mandatory. Though I have not been very good at medical terms, but I still remember as DRM Jaipur, there was another opportunity which people get to do something which they dream to do. And there, in those days, 2004 or something, I remember, stem cells was a big buzzword in the medical field. And every day some article used to come in Times of India about stem cells, and it used to catch my attention. A very interesting reading. So I used to tell MD there, yes, MD, विषय यार ये सब आता रहता है, इतनी इतने एडवांस आर्टिकल टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में आते हैं, इतने इंटरेस्टिंग आते हैं, तुम लोग पढ़ते हो नहीं पढ़ते हो? तो विषय सर काम करने से फुर्सत मिले तो कुछ पढ़े ना। He used to say. So I said, why don't you do one thing? जैसे हमारे यहाँ अभी जैसे सीपीआर साहब हैं यहाँ पर, हाँ बैठे हुए हैं, तो he does a very good thing, वो सारे अखबार वो पढ़ता है on my behalf, और जो इम्पोर्टेंट कटिंग काट के मुझको फाइल देता है, डेली 3-4 files come to me, and I read the nutshell of it. So I said, why don't you, आपने कोई भी बाबू in the hospital, there must be so many clerks, you appoint, nominate one, उसका काम ये होगा 2-3 papers पढ़ के, और वो जो भी ये articles related to medical field, I mean latest in the medical field, he will cut it, paste it, put, and आपके यहाँ 10-12 doctors हैं, you may not send it to junior most or something, but and let the file go to each one. Maybe he just signs it, but at least you will see the title of it. There's something, at least you will reflect is something pertaining to so subject. The article had come. Maybe if he feels like reading, he goes home, he reads it. That's another thing. So this started there. I imposed this thing on them. I still remember. And idea was simply कि whatever latest is happening in the world, let our fraternity, medical fraternity, read it, go through it, get inspired, and try to be in touch with the latest. As you know, the developments in electronics field and medical fields are the fastest today. Every day something is happening across the world, and it is you feel very eager. Our doctors, our S&T engineers, go through them to the extent possible, and at least try to know, once something may catch your attention, you would like to get it implemented in railways, things like that. So that was my limited curiosity with medical department. It's a pleasure to know that Garden Beach Hospital is doing wonderful work. As I saw in couple of visits there and today, it's a very soothing feeling as general manager. It's a very proud feeling, let me say, that our hospitals are so competent, and they are trying to equip themselves at par with the best of the facilities in other advanced hospitals, and their eagerness is also reflected through various works proposals coming to at my level. Maybe that when I deleted some of the items, doctors may have felt upset, but it was basically to speed up. If you have, I was telling them, if you have capacity or engineering department or electric department's capacity to X, and you burden them with 10X, certainly nothing is going to happen. We may be very satisfied कि हमने सारे आइटम सेंक्शन करा दिए हैं, but अगर 10-15 years तक execute नहीं होंगे तो it is as good as not being there. So I said, get sanction 2 at a time, get executed, get another, because sanction is absolutely not a problem. I wonder any general manager would say no to the requirements of a hospital. So that's it. I was telling Dr. Roy, if our doctors, our entire medical fraternity, this hospital is having such good facilities, is so popular, people are coming here from NF, from many other railways. Not many know, I'm telling you, because before coming here, I had never heard the facilities or the good work done by this hospital. I'm totally, though we used to hear name of BR Singh and all, they are also in Mumbai also. So I think there is a need to tell the world that there is some hospital by name of Garden Beach and is doing a wonderful job. I have requested the team leader to make some leaflet, and through CPR we would like to tell the world, I mean world means India, the Kolkata local, what facilities are there. It boosts up the confidence of the medical fraternity there. I would like to thank all of you, Dr. Ray, for calling me for for this thing. I was not aware this will be farewell also. I thought it will be visit. So I was not mentally prepared anyway. Thanks a lot. And I wish all the best to all the medical fraternity present here. And I wish they keep shining in their field day in, day out. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. This small but crisp program would not have been possible without the active participation of many. May I request Dr. B. Sengupta, the man who makes things happen in this hospital, to kindly deliver a vote of thanks and draw closer to this program. Dr. Sengupta, please.
Respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of entire medical fraternity, I express sincere